Ugh, Mondays. The alarm clock screams. The to-do list stares back accusingly, and the coffee just isn't strong enough. But what if Mondays could be different? What if you could wake up feeling organized, focused, and ready to conquer your week? The culprit behind the Monday blues is often the feeling of being overwhelmed. A never-ending pile of tasks, unclear deadlines, and a team that seems to be working in different universes. It's enough to make anyone want to crawl back under the covers. Here's where project management tools come in. They promise to be the knight in shining armor, slaying the dragon of disorganization and bringing peace to your professional kingdom. But with a plethora of options available, the question becomes, which one is right for you? One name that frequently pops up is Monday.com. It boasts a vibrant interface, customizable workflows, and integrations galore. But before you jump in and start building your dream workspace, there's one crucial question. Is Monday.com free? The answer, like most things in life, isn't a simple yes or no. Monday.com offers a tiered pricing structure, each with its own set of features and limitations. Let's dive deeper into the world of Monday.com pricing and see which option might be the best fit for you. The free plan, a taste of Monday magic. Monday.com generously offers a free plan, aptly named the individual plan. It's a fantastic way to test the waters and see if Monday.com jives with your workflow. With the free plan, you get access to 2 boards. This might seem like a limitation, but for solopreneurs or small teams with straightforward projects, it can be surprisingly sufficient. Up to 200 items. This allows you to manage a decent amount of tasks, perfect for getting your feet wet. Core functionalities. You get the basic building blocks of Monday.com, including creating boards, adding items, assigning tasks, and setting deadlines. Limited integrations. While you won't have access to all the bells and whistles, you can connect a few popular tools to streamline your workflow. Is the free plan enough? The free plan is a great starting point. It allows you to create a basic project management system and experience the core functionalities of Monday.com. However, if you need to manage larger teams, complex projects, or require advanced features like automations and deeper integrations, the free plan might feel restrictive. Upgrading your Monday experience. Monday.com offers 4 paid plans: Basic, Standard, Pro, and Enterprise. Each plan unlocks additional features and increases the number of users and boards you can manage. Here's a quick breakdown of each paid plan. Basic plan. This plan allows for up to 5 users and offers unlimited boards, perfect for growing teams. You also get access to more integrations and some automation capabilities. Standard plan. This plan caters to teams of up to 20 users and unlocks advanced automation features, allowing you to automate repetitive tasks and streamline workflows. Pro plan. If you manage a large team, up to 50 users, with complex projects, the Pro plan might be ideal. It offers advanced analytics, workload management tools, and priority support. Enterprise plan. This plan is designed for large organizations with specific needs. It offers custom pricing, dedicated account management, and advanced security features. Making the right choice. Choosing the right Monday.com plan depends on several factors. Team size. How many people will be using the platform? Project complexity. Are you managing simple tasks or complex workflows? Desired features. Do you need advanced automation capabilities or analytics tools? Budget. How much are you willing to invest in project management software? Free trial, test drive before you buy. Monday.com offers a free trial for each of its paid plans. This allows you to explore all the features and functionality before committing to a subscription. Use the free trial to build a realistic project board, invite your team members, and experience how Monday.com can transform your workflow. So, is Monday.com free? Technically, no. However, the generous free plan allows you to get a taste of what Monday.com can do. If you need more features and functionalities, the paid plans offer a scalable solution for your growing team and project needs. Ultimately, the best way to find out if Monday.com is right for you is to try it yourself. Take advantage of the free plan or explore the paid options through the free trial. Remember, a well-chosen project management tool can be the key to turning your Mondays from a monster into a manageable friend.